Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a beautiful potato and leek soup for you. I make this all the time and we all love it here. And this is also a lovely recipe for Christmas Day. You can add a little bit of cream to it and some cooked bacon. It's beautiful in it too. It's simple, there's only a couple of ingredients and it only takes about half an hour to make. Get started. In here I've got some butter and oil and I've melted it so it's nice and hot. Into here I'm going to add in some leeks. This is one leek that I'm adding. Smells lovely. And now for my potatoes, and I've chopped these up nice and small. So I'm going to mix these together and I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes. I want the leeks and the potatoes a little bit soft. And I'm going to let them cook away there for about 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on them so they don't stick to the bottom of your pan. My potatoes and leeks are a little bit softer now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 2 heaped teaspoons of flour. This is plain flour, and I'm going to mix it in. The flour will help to thicken the soup. And now I'm going to add in some chicken stock. I'm adding 2 pints of chicken stock. And last but not least, I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves. These give the soup an absolutely gorgeous flavour, so make sure to add them. Okay, that's great. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to cook this for about 20 minutes on a medium heat. You don't want it boiling, and we want the potatoes nice and soft before we blitz up the soup. So we'll see you in about 20 minutes. My soup is ready, and just to show you how you check that it is, you just get a little piece of potato and a knife and cut it, and that's cooked the whole way through. So I'm going to remove the bay leaf. You definitely don't want that in your soup. And now I'm going to blitz this up. That's it, all done. Before I finish, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Make sure to taste it to ensure that you've got enough seasoning on it, and a little bit of black pepper. And I'm going to mix that in. Now you could add some double cream to this, about 75 to 100 mils, depends how creamy you like it. Some crispy bacon is nice in it as well. So all that's left to be done now is for me to serve this up. Alright, so I'm going to get some of my soup in here. It's a nice consistency. So what I like to do is just get some cream and pour some on top of my soup, just like that. And I'm going to finish off with some crispy, streaky rasher. And that's it there, look at that. How gorgeous does that look? I really hope you try out this potato and leek soup. I do have a recipe for a lovely vegetable soup. I've had lots of really nice feedback on it too, and I'll pop a link to that in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try out the soup and let me know what you think. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.